2010 Constitution. Back to you in studio.
All right, thank you so much, Jesse, for that. Trust KTN to inform you on whatever that will transpire in Homa Bay County. Moving on, questions are emerging as to who is protecting the Deputy Inspector General of Police, Eliud Lagat, after 18 respondents in the case seeking his prosecution and removal from office following the death of blogger Albert Ojwang while in police custody failed to respond. The respondents include President William Ruto, Attorney General Dorcas Oduor, and top security agencies and officials. As Winfrey Owino reports, Lagat says the decision to charge him over the death of the blogger squarely lies in the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions and not the courts.
Deputy Inspector General of Police Eliud Lagat, a man who has been under public scrutiny since Albert Ojwang's death at Central Police Station in June this year, is the only one who has responded to a petition filed against him by 20 people seeking his prosecution and removal from office out of 19 respondents listed in the case. Questions as to who is shielding the police boss are now emerging after President Ruto, Attorney General Dorcas Oduor, Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja, Interior CS Kipchumba Murkomen, Director of Public Prosecutions Renson Ingonga, DCI Director Amin Mohammed, and the Independent Policing Oversight Authority IPOA failed to respond to the petition. Through his lawyer, Cecil Miller, Lagat says he can only be charged after a nod from the ODPP, arguing that he stepped aside from his role to pave way for thorough investigations conducted by IPOA, which were reviewed by the DPP, and the suspects were arraigned. Lagat's lawyer also says, and I quote, "It is important to note that the 11th respondent, who is the DIG Lagat, was not present at the scene, did not issue any unlawful instructions, and his role as DIG was purely administrative and command-based. He did not engage in operational conduct relevant to the incident." End of quote. Days after Ojwang's death went viral, lawyers Kibe Mungai, Mount Kenya jurists and others filed a petition arguing that Lagat, who was the initial complainant in the cybercrime case against Ojwang, should be treated as a person of interest in the case. The petition cited allegations of torture, strangulation, evidence tampering such as the interference with CCTV footage at Central Police Station, and a potential cover-up if Lagat remains in office. Court has also ordered the 18 respondents to submit their responses by August 29th. The case will come up for a hearing on September 25th. Winfrey Owino, KTN.
Gilbert Kiptalam, a blogger popular